Do you guys want to open AR glasses with me? Welcome everybody, welcome. I'm really excited because we're playing Helldivers today and because we're also doing unboxing. Have you guys heard of XREAL? I'm gonna be opening super cool AR glasses that I saw at CES 2025. So I got to interview and try on these super cool AR glasses. That's me, and I fell in love with them. It's the one thing that I came out of CES just like blown away with. I was like, oh my gosh, I would actually use this in real life. They contacted me this weekend. They were like, hey, the XREAL One Pros are actually coming out on Amazon. That's me playing Cyberpunk, by the way. And I was like, yes, sign me up. I'm gonna give away one pair. They said yes, so they gave me one. I'm giving you guys one. We're gonna unbox it, try it out, and then we're gonna play some Helldivers 2 and fight for democracy. So that's what's happening today. And apparently it's my Twitch partner anniversary. What the heck? So the XREAL One Pro glasses, let's open it. Ooh, wait, they come in a really cool case. I don't know why I did not expect a case for glasses. And then inside we have nose pads, lens frame, polishing cloth, and the menu. And let's go ahead and open. Wow. Oh, they're really cool. Look how dark they are. But wait a minute, what's this? There they are. Look how sleek they look. Again, one of my favorite things at CES this year. The inside says the name of it. It has the ear contour right here. And then the front and the side, that's where you can see the OLED displays. These are Sony Full HD 1080p displays. You can plug these into anything that has USB-C. So your phone, your PC, your gaming console, your handheld consoles, as long as it has USB-C. Basically, you plug and play. I've never done the setup before, so I'm really excited to see how easy it is to get them working. All right, time to look like the Matrix. All right. Super light, 87 grams, so super comfortable. They feel super light. So there are different controls on the glasses. So you have this red button right here. This one is going to be controlling where the screen is. External display, stage manager with an external display. And I want to show you guys, I have a tutorial here to do first. Oh, cool. Okay. So they don't display anything when you don't have them on. But as soon as you put them on, then the screen turns on. It almost has like a sleep mode. So it is telling me in different languages to press the red button. The red button is on the right side. Okay, let's set this up really quick. All right, English. Okay, this is so cool. Let me show you guys. Oh, there you go. You guys can see a little bit there. You can see the YouTube video in there. All right, so there's different modes that you can use this. This is so cool, guys. I wish you guys could see this. I'm gonna show you guys a video of what it looks like, but you basically have a screen that's hovering and following you. So you have like this. Let me show you guys. It's easier if I show you guys. Here you go. Songs and chants. Wait. Oh, if you don't know the lyrics to a song, you can just have them on the side, you know? You can just have them on the side. You know the lyrics to the song. This is actually gonna be amazing for me because I don't know the lyrics to any song. Like when you're looking, the perspective is like you're taking your 32-inch monitor and you're making it 171 inches in terms of visual. It's like a mini movie theater in your eyes. The feeling of wearing this is so cool. You can adjust the brightness of the image that you're seeing inside, so you can make it really bright. You can make it really dim. Sun is really bright and you want to darken the lens so that you can see your movie that you're playing on the side or something. Maybe you're at a cafe and you're just watching a movie. So you can dim the lens so that it makes it really dark. Let's watch this YouTube video. So we're watching this on my screen right here. We're watching it here. And I can hear the audio over my ear. You can anchor the screen so you can have it out of your field of view. So right now I'm just gonna move it. And I'm gonna anchor it to my side here. So anchor it, cool. Now my screen is over here and I'm gonna look in front and I just see my computer. So basically I'm extending my workstation. So I have a monitor in real life here. I have my other monitor here and then I look over here and I have other. And this is what it looks like, right? So you have the immersive screen. So this is your real life. And then you have this screen, you have this monitor in front of your eyes, basically. and you can anchor it. So here it's anchored, so you're moving your head, but the screen stays still. This is the ultra wide screen, 32:9. They sent me this also. This is the Beam Pro, which is basically an Android, like it's like a phone, but it's not, you can't talk over the phone. So it's like a mini tablet. Let's unbox it. And this basically gives you the ability to have double monitor. All right, so this is the Beam Pro, which is like an Android device, basically. This is the Beam Pro, and I've seen people use this, and you can basically plug them in. It gives you the ability to have two different monitors to set it up like that, or two different displays within your vision. And then you can also use this as a pointer. If you don't have an iPhone or a tablet or a gaming device to plug it into, you can plug it into that. Plug and play with all your devices. So it's super easy to plug them into anything: Android, iPhone, iPad, gaming handheld, Steam Deck. The only one that you can't plug into yet is the Switch 2, because Nintendo they don't allow for video output via USB-C. So if the device has USB-C, you can use this as your display, as your extra display, or as your monitor. Nintendo Switch, you're gonna have to get an adapter. So the VR. So basically these will display any game that your device can play. So if you have your Steam Deck, you can play any game that device can play, and you can display it on your glasses. So this is, you can see anything your device can see on here, and you can enhance the screen to make it bigger, to make it ultra wide. Does that make sense? So you can bundle these two together to get an extra monitor. Okay, yeah. So you can make them bigger. You can make the screen bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make it further away, you can make it really close, you can make it ultra wide mode. You can do horizontal, you can do vertical screens, you can even do 3D. If you're watching a 3D movie, you can see 3D. And then there's an extra button up here that you can customize to a keybind to whatever you want. So if you want to make it ultra wide, you can just click that and make the entire screen ultra wide instead. And then there's the speakers at the bottom right here. They are made by Bose. The OLED screens, the OLED displays are made by Sony. 700 nits. VCars My, where are you at? Everybody look at VCars My. Yo, VCars My, congrats on winning a pair of XREAL One Pro so that you can game, watch movies, and all the good stuff.